Space, the final frontier. For centuries, we've gazed at the stars, wondering what secrets they hold. But now we're on the brink of a new era in space exploration. Buckle up, space enthusiasts, because these 10 upcoming missions are about to blow your minds and redefine our place in the cosmos. First up, we're going back to the moon, and this time we're staying. NASA's Artemis program isn't just about leaving footprints and planting flags. It's about establishing a permanent human presence on our celestial neighbor. Imagine a lunar base where astronauts live and work for months at a time. They'll be mining resources, conducting groundbreaking experiments, and paving the way for future Mars missions. It's not just sci-fi anymore, folks. It's happening, and it's happening soon. Speaking of the Red Planet, our next mission is truly revolutionary. For the first time in human history, we're bringing a piece of Mars back to Earth. The Mars Sample Return mission is like a cosmic relay race. NASA's Perseverance rover has already collected the samples. Next, the lander will touch down on Mars, load up the samples, and blast them into orbit. Finally, another spacecraft will snag them and bring them home. Why is this such a big deal? Well, imagine being able to study Martian rocks and soil in state-of-the-art Earth laboratories. We could finally answer the big question, was there ever life on Mars? Now, let's venture into the outer solar system. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, has long tantalized scientists with its potential for harboring life. Why? Because beneath its icy crust lies a vast, liquid ocean. Enter the Europa Clipper. This NASA spacecraft will swoop past Europa multiple times, using a suite of instruments to peer beneath the ice. It'll map the moon's surface, analyze its composition, and even search for plumes of water erupting from cracks in the ice. If we find organic molecules or other signs of habitability, it could be one of the most significant discoveries in the history of space exploration. Are we alone in the universe? Europa Clipper might just help us answer that question. Our next stop takes us to Earth's terrible twin, Venus. Despite being similar in size to our home planet, Venus is a hellish world of crushing pressures and scorching temperatures. But was it always this way? Enter Da Vinci Plus, or Deep Atmosphere Venus Investigation of Noble Gases, Chemistry, and Imaging Plus. This ambitious NASA mission will send a probe plunging through Venus's thick atmosphere, sampling gases and taking high-resolution images as it descends. But here's the kicker. Da Vinci Plus might help us understand climate change on Earth. By studying how Venus became the hothouse it is today, we could gain crucial insights into our own planet's future. Talk about killing two cosmic birds with one stone. Now, let's zip over to Saturn's largest moon, Titan. This mysterious world is the only place in our solar system, besides Earth, with liquid on its surface. But instead of water, Titan has lakes and seas of liquid methane. To explore this alien world, NASA is sending Dragonfly, a nuclear-powered drone the size of a car. This mechanical marvel will hop across Titan's surface, flying to multiple locations over the course of its mission. Imagine the views as Dragonfly soars over Titan's methane seas and rugged ice mountains. But it's not just about pretty pictures. Dragonfly will study Titan's complex chemistry, potentially giving us a glimpse into the conditions that led to life on early Earth. Our next mission isn't about exploring a particular planet or moon. Instead, it's about listening to the very fabric of space-time itself. LISA, or the Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, is a joint NASA-ESA project that will detect gravitational waves from space. These ripples in space-time, predicted by Einstein and only recently detected, are caused by some of the most violent events in the universe, like colliding black holes. LISA will consist of 3 spacecraft flying in a triangle formation, millions of kilometers apart. By measuring tiny changes in the distance between these spacecraft, LISA will be able to hear gravitational waves that are undetectable from Earth. This mission could revolutionize our understanding of the universe, potentially allowing us to observe the very moment of the Big Bang. It's like giving the universe a stethoscope. While not a new mission per se, the James Webb Space Telescope is about to open up a whole new chapter in the study of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. This next-generation space telescope, with its massive mirror and incredible sensitivity, will be able to analyze the atmospheres of distant worlds like never before. It's like giving us a pair of cosmic binoculars to peer into alien skies. Imagine being able to detect signs of life on a planet light years away. Webb could potentially identify biosignatures, chemical markers that indicate the presence of life in exoplanet atmospheres. We might be on the verge of discovering extraterrestrial life. Remember Venus, our evil twin? Well, it's so important that it's getting not 1, but 2 missions on our list. Veritas is set to map Venus in unprecedented detail, piercing through its thick clouds to reveal the planet's surface. Using state-of-the-art radar and near-infrared instruments, Veritas will create 3D global maps of Venus, search for active volcanoes, and even look for signs of water. It's like giving Venus a full-body CT scan, This mission could help solve the mystery of why Venus, despite being so similar to Earth in size and composition, ended up as a scorching hellscape. The lessons we learned could be crucial for understanding the long-term fate of our own planet. Last but certainly not least, we have ESA's Comet Interceptor. This ambitious mission will do something never done before. Visit a truly pristine comet or interstellar object as it enters our solar system for the first time. Unlike previous comet missions, which visited short-period comets that have been altered by repeated passes around the Sun, Comet Interceptor will study a long-period comet fresh from the outer solar system. It's like catching a time capsule from the early days of our solar system. The mission will consist of a main spacecraft and 2 smaller probes, which will surround the comet to study it from multiple angles. It's a high-risk, high-reward mission that could provide unprecedented insights into the building blocks of our cosmic neighborhood. And there you have it, space fans, 10 mind-blowing missions that are set to redefine our understanding of the cosmos. From our lunar backyard to the far reaches of our solar system and beyond, we're entering a golden age of space exploration. Which of these missions excites you the most? Are there any other upcoming space missions you think should be on this list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're as thrilled about the future of space exploration as we are, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cosmic content. Remember, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big. The universe is waiting for us.